Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro. Party Popper. Today, we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G 2026, one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of this year. Cell phone gem. If you're looking for a phone that combines performance, design, and cutting-edge features without breaking the bank, this device is definitely worth checking out. In this video, we'll cover everything from unboxing, design, display, camera, performance, battery life, gaming experience, and real-world usage, so you can make the best choice in 2026. Starting with the design, Samsung has truly elevated the A57 Pro 5G. Glowing star. The device feels premium in hand, with a sleek glass back, smooth edges, and a modern build that looks stylish and sturdy. Unlike many mid-range phones, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro manages to feel like a flagship device, not just in aesthetics but also in ergonomics. The front display is bright, vivid, and immersive, perfect for streaming, browsing, and gaming. You'll notice the bezel-less design and the punch-hole camera, giving it a modern, futuristic look that stands out in 2026. Moving to the display, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G comes with a Super AMOLED panel, offering vivid colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast. Whether you're watching YouTube videos, playing high-end games, or scrolling through social media, the display ensures every detail pops. Collision. The 120Hz refresh rate makes animations smooth, apps responsive, and gaming a delight. This combination of color accuracy, brightness, and smoothness is a major plus for content creators and gamers alike. When it comes to camera performance, the A57 Pro 5G impresses for a mid-range device. Camera with flash. The primary camera captures crisp and detailed images, even in low-light conditions, thanks to advanced sensors and AI enhancements. Portrait shots are sharp, colors are vibrant but natural, and dynamic range is excellent. The ultra-wide camera is perfect for landscapes, group photos, and creative shots, while the macro lens allows for highly detailed close-ups. Selfie lovers will enjoy the front-facing camera, which produces bright and clear shots for social media or video calls. Samsung has really focused on providing a versatile camera setup in this phone. Performance is another area where the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G 2026 shines. Rocket-powered by a modern chipset and ample RAM, this phone handles multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps effortlessly. From opening multiple apps to playing graphic-intensive games, the experience is smooth with minimal lag. The 5G connectivity ensures ultra-fast internet speeds, making downloads, streaming, and online gaming seamless. For anyone looking for a reliable device in 2026 that won't struggle with performance, this phone is an excellent option. Let's talk about battery life, which is another highlight. Battery. The Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G comes with a large battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy usage, including gaming, video streaming, and social media. Fast charging support ensures that you spend less time plugged in and more time using your device. This makes it a perfect companion for users who are always on the move. Software and features are where Samsung always excels, and the A57 Pro 5G is no exception. Cell phone. Running the latest One UI version on Android 2026, it offers a smooth, intuitive interface with tons of customization options. From dark mode to edge panels, Samsung provides a user-friendly experience that enhances productivity and enjoyment. Security features like fingerprint scanning and face recognition are fast and reliable, giving you peace of mind. Now, let's briefly compare the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G with other 2026 mid-range phones. In terms of camera, display, and performance, it competes closely with devices like the Xiaomi 14 Pro, OnePlus 13 Pro, and even some premium models. What makes it stand out is the balance of features and price, offering flagship-level quality in a mid-range budget-friendly package. This is a major reason why tech enthusiasts are excited about this model in 2026. For gaming enthusiasts, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G delivers a smooth and immersive experience. Video game. The combination of high refresh rate display, responsive touch input, and powerful GPU ensures that games run fluidly, even high-end titles. Coupled with 5G connectivity, multiplayer gaming is seamless with minimal lag. Whether you're playing competitive shooters or open-world adventures, this device is more than capable. Another important aspect is storage and memory. The phone comes with ample internal storage options, expandable via micro SD, and sufficient RAM for heavy multitasking. This means you can store your photos, videos, apps, and games without worrying about running out of space. For content creators, this is a significant advantage, as you can record high-quality videos and take professional-grade photos directly from the device. Samsung has also put effort into audio performance. Musical note: the stereo speakers are loud, clear, and provide a balanced sound experience, perfect for media consumption or video calls. Coupled with Dolby Atmos support, the A57 Pro 5G ensures an immersive audio experience that complements the stunning display. In terms of connectivity, the device supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC, making it a future-proof smartphone for 2026. Fast downloads, smooth streaming, and efficient data transfer are all included in this package. Finally, let's talk about why you should consider buying the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G. Glowing star: it's a device that balances design, performance, camera quality, battery life, and price in a way that few mid-range phones manage to achieve. Whether you are a gamer, content creator, student, or professional, this phone can handle your daily tasks and more, without compromise. Verdict: the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G 2026 is one of the best mid-range smartphones available this year. With flagship-level design, a versatile camera setup, smooth performance, long-lasting battery, and 5G connectivity, it's perfect for tech enthusiasts who want a reliable, stylish, and high-performing smartphone without spending top-tier money. Check mark. If you like this review and want more high-quality, detailed mobile reviews, make sure to subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro and turn on notifications bell so you never miss our daily updates. Also, comment below if you want us to compare the Galaxy A57 Pro 5G with other 2026 phones in our next video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Rocket Cell Phone Gem.